Hello my gorgeous friends, I hope you are well. I have a very exciting video today. I bought my first luxury or designer handbag. So I'm gonna unbox it today and give sort of a first impression and review. It is the St. Laurent college bag in the size medium and the color dark beige. So this seems like sort of unlike me because I don't like to waste money. But after I grasp the concept of certain luxury items or designer items being investment pieces, meaning they retain their value or grow their value over time, it actually seems like I could just diversify my investment portfolio in a way that, I mean, is kind of like a dream, right? Like I can have a beautiful bag that I thought was unattainable without feeling like I've just blown money on it. But yeah, so I wanted to check out this gorgeous bag. I'm also just like into just self-care lately, and I feel like this bag's gonna make me feel like $1 million and kind of make me feel like the woman that I want to feel like. Hopefully that's true. I want to wear this bag like every day. I don't want it to be like something that I admire from afar. I bought this bag brand new from the St. Laurent website. It shipped overnight and it required a signature, which is a good thing. Oops. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, what? It's a bag on its own. It's a gold bag. What's this all about? It's just an empty St. Laurent gold bag. I ordered this as like a gift, and I put a little gift message to myself. It's a gift to myself. So I want to see, oh, there's two little things in here. What's this? Maybe this is the gift message? Aw, this is sweet. Yeah, I don't know. I just, because I feel like it's a significant purchase. So I looked up, what are they called? Mantras, daily affirmations. And so I wrote on the gift message, it says, St. Laurent, I wrote, my possibilities are endless. Dream big. That's because I was hoping it would come on some cute little packet, some cute little paper, which I guess it kind of does. It's really just a piece of paper, but it does have the, it says St. Laurent on it, and it's in this little envelope. So yeah, I really do feel like your thoughts shape your reality. So keep your eye on the prize, everyone, because we can all, I believe, have everything we want out of life. But don't, negative thoughts and stuff, it will not help. So this is just another little envelope. It says thank you, and I think it has a little receipt in there. And the box itself. Woo! I guess Merry Christmas to me. All right, let's see what she looks like. I could just, there we go, sneak it off. I watched a lot of videos of other people with this bag, but I've never seen this bag in real life. I've never seen the color, I've never touched it, so this is the first time. First impression, it's like a little bit smaller than I thought, but I didn't want something so big. I want to limit what I put. Ooh, you saw it first. Let me see. Oh, I think, okay, let me see. I want to take this off. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, where's this strap? The chain strap I want to see. Maybe I should put it all together first. Okay, so I love the color. It's gorgeous. And I love the gold hardware. I feel like that is beautiful. Because it's not like super shiny. It kind of looks like an aged. I thought, wow, this is going to look really, really, really classy with the beige and the gold hardware, at least based on the pictures that I saw. It feels nice. The bag is like crinkly. If you really look up close at like this, I thought this was going to be super smooth, but I can actually see that it's kind of crinkly, if that makes sense, which I think is kind of good because I'm bound to really kind of ruin it myself. Like I want this to be like my daily bag and all I do is go to the grocery store. So, and I really wanted this one because it has a top handle, but it also has like the chain. I really like top handles. I saw some people were wearing it like that. You could, it's a little tight for that. I took this stuff off the top handle part of it because I want you to get the first impression with me about like this magnetic closure and stuff. It was actually a little bit, because I've never had a bag like this. I'm just, oh, that's cool. There's like a little, it latches well. Ooh, I bet the chain strap is in here. Oh gosh, packing materials. Oh, the strap is in here, I guess. I'm curious to see, like, it actually looks pretty roomy. Some people I saw were complaining that it was like a little small for them. And I have a pretty big phone. I think this is S21 Plus or something, Ultra, and it has a big case on it. Oh, but that fit in the back, no problem. Okay, so that's cool. And then maybe some makeup and keys and everything else can go in the front compartment. I don't have a wallet or anything like that, so I was hoping like the middle part could be used as a wallet. Here is like an authentication card. Let me see, the middle part. Yeah, I'm gonna use that as a wallet. That's what I always do. Like anytime there's like a zippered pouch, I just throw my stuff in there, so that should be no problem. I think this will work fine for me as far as the size. You could just wear it like this. You don't have to put the chain on it, but the chain is my favorite part. So let's take the chain out and see what that looks like, because I think the gold color is just gorgeous. I also was looking at another bag called the Lulu, and that was gorgeous too. And it had a much thinner chain than this. Oh my God, so this color gold, this is so beautiful and so classy to me. So that is like the main reason why I wanted this bag. The top handle and just the colors. Like this beige right here. Oh my goodness, with this gold, this looks so gorgeous and so classy to me. I'll show you what sold me on it, the way I saw somebody holding this bag. I can't believe this is mine. I think this really is the most gorgeous bag I've ever seen. I saw somebody holding it, I think like this, like just with the chains kind of just dangling over the bag. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So yes, they call this color dark beige, but I think it's perfect. This is the perfect bag. Oh my God, it's like, the gold is like antique looking, kind of, but it looks just classy and not gaudy, not gold, shiny, you know, yellow. Oh my God, it's beautiful. So yeah, this is my, first impressions of this beautiful bag. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you'd like to see another review of this once I wear it for a while. I get to do it like what's in my purse, and I definitely need to find out how many tacos it's gonna fit, because that's important. And it's just gonna look really good when I'm like, it's gonna look really good on the passenger seat next to me when I am, you know, going to get my Taco Bell. So I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.